are a number of key elements to a trustworthy peer review process. First of all, thinking about editors who are committed to fairness and equality. Editors handling manuscripts for Royal Society of Chemistry journals uphold the high standards of our journals by making sure that the research published is high quality and of interest to the journal's readers. But our editors are committed to carrying out that process in a way that's equitable and fair. Recently launched our Inclusion and Diversity Framework for Action, which outlines our plans to ensure that we continue to make progress on inclusion and diversity. We really want to ensure that all of our peer review policies and processes are inclusive of all, and that we celebrate diverse talent. A second key element of a trustworthy peer review process is expert reviewers. So peer reviewers obviously play a really central role in a trustworthy peer review process. They need to be experts in a given subject matter, and they need to be able to give objective and constructive feedback to authors. So our editors take a great deal of care in selecting the best reviewer for the job, and we always work to ensure that any new reviewers added to our database are suitably qualified. We're always keen to hear from people who would like to volunteer as reviewers, and the criteria and process for doing that are available on our website. We also aim to support and educate our reviewers through our online guidelines and resources, such as our How to Review guide, and we recognise reviewers' efforts through our partnership with Publons and through our Outstanding Reviewers programme. And our reviewers come from all over the world. So last year we received reviews from almost 50,000 reviewers in well over 100 countries. And the diversity of our reviewers is important to us. We believe it should reflect the diversity of our authorship, and we're striving to improve the balance of underrepresented groups. A final key element of a transparent peer review process for me is transparency. So being open and transparent about how a journal's peer review process actually works is really important to build trust. Our Author and Reviewer Hub is the place to go to find out about all of the policies and processes on Royal Society of Chemistry journals. Open and transparent decision making is important to us as well, so we strongly encourage our reviewers to provide a clear rationale for any recommendation they make, and our editors take the time to clearly explain to authors the decision that they've reached on their manuscript. Recently, we've begun experimenting with transparent peer review, where the peer review history, so that's all of the reviewers' comments, the author's response and the editor's decision letter, are made available and published online alongside the manuscript. This is an optional service that's currently available on RSC Chemical Biology, and we hope to expand it to more journals in the near future. But by making all of the peer review history available to readers, we're really aiming to shine a light on what's such an important part of the publication process that it's typically hidden from view. And in doing that, readers will be able to see for themselves the quality and rigour of our peer review, and also researchers who are new to peer review will be able to understand what to expect from peer review, and they can learn from others when they come to carry out peer review themselves.